Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryellamakeup and I'm finally back with a new video. And today we're gonna get into this look right here. I just love a smoky eye with a dramatic lash because it's giving sexy, it's giving sultry, it's just giving. So if you want to recreate this look with me, please keep on watching. So I did already do my eyebrows off camera, and the reason for that is because I feel like it takes me forever to do my eyebrows, even though I don't need like a lot of product because I have really full brows. It's just a lot of back and forth. So I was like, if the people want to see a brow tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I will make that happen. But we're gonna get right into this look. I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and today I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And I am starting off with my face today because I know I'm not gonna need to like clean up any like eyeshadow fallout or any like eyeliner. So that's usually how I decide if I'm gonna do eyes first or face first. And I really just massage this product in. And then I do have these two little people on my face. So I'm gonna just conceal them really quick, and I'm gonna be going in with the Flawless Day Concealer by Beauty Creations. And literally just gonna go right on top. And just taking my little concealer brush by Morphe, I'm just gonna pat that in. And this is just gonna give us like extra coverage on those little imperfections. So if you guys have like little spots in your face that you just kind of want a little bit more coverage, like this one right here, or these little ones right here, you can just put concealer on them. For my foundation today, I'm going to be going in with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. This has been my go-to foundation lately because the coverage, girl, you guys will see. I'm just going to end up dotting it all over my face. And this is looking like a good shade because I feel like I got this one during summer and it was a little light during summer, I'm not going to lie. So I feel like right now it's going to match really pretty. Okay, and then I bring a little bit down my neck. And then I'm going to be taking my Morphe setting spray and just giving a little spray. Just so when I blend it, everything is like seamless and smooth and very skin-like. I'm going to be picking up this Frankie Rose Cosmetics foundation brush, and I'm just going to pat everything in. And when I put my foundation on, I really am like patting it in like this, not swiping. Because I feel like a lot of people are like, how do you blend your foundation? And this is how I do it. Make sure to blend down your neck. Following that brush, I'm just gonna blend everything with my damp beauty blender. I just like to do this step because I feel like this beauty blender really melts the product into my skin and makes it look more skin-like and just kind of smooths any like brush strokes we might have left over, you know? Now I'm going to be going in with a contour stick, and today I'm going to be using the Murillo Twins times Beauty Creation contour stick, and this is in the shade It's Giving, and these are so creamy. I literally just go right into my face with these. Just gonna blend that out. Again, we're not swiping. I'm just kind of stippling, kind of patting it in, up and down, back and forth. But look how pretty that blends out. This is so cute. Now I'm going to be going in with the blush, and it's going to be from the same collection, so Murillo Twins times Beauty Creations. This is in the shade Always Twinning. So I'm just going to add it to like the top of my cheekbones, just right there. And it's like really, really light, but once I blend it out, it's going to look so cute. And going in with this Real Techniques 402 brush, I'm just going to blend that out. And I do just like to kind of keep it like up here. I don't bring it too low into the apples of my cheeks. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer, and this is in the shade 150. And I do like to go in with something that's pretty light because I really want to highlight under my eyes today. Just take a little bit on the bridge of my nose, connect it to like the middle of my forehead, just to give me a good highlight. And taking that same Real Techniques 402 brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. I feel like I need this. Now I'm just picking up that brush I used for my contour, whatever's left on it. I'm just gonna blend the edges of my concealer. Now with my damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna give it that extra blend to melt everything together. I always go in with a brush and then right after I hit it with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm gonna start setting my face. So I'm gonna be picking up this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And this is in the fairest shade. So this is number 1. First of all, before I go in with any powder, I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and make sure I blend any creases that are under my eyes. And then I always have powder ready on my powder puff because you guys will see I'm just gonna stamp it right in. And this is my trick for flawless under eyes. So pay attention. Okay, so I'm gonna blend back and forth. So I'm just gonna blend, and I literally don't move at all. I'm gonna pick up my powder brush, my powder puff, and just stamp it. And I make sure to get like right under here because that's where the wrinkles are, and I don't want the makeup to settle in there. So melt it into the skin. Look how pretty and flawless. Do you guys see that? Like here you can see my little fine lines. This one, nothing. And that's my little trick. So I'm gonna do it for you guys on this side. So I'm gonna prep my powder puff so there's nothing on it. We're gonna put some powder. We're gonna leave it there. I'm actually gonna put it on this hand because I had to look for it before. Okay, so I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender. I'm gonna pat back and forth, back and forth. And I'm literally not looking anywhere. Taking my powder puff and I'm gonna stamp it. Look how flawless my under eyes look. I'm gonna be picking up that same powder, but just in a darker shade. This is the shade 3 Tan. And I'm gonna be taking this Frankie Rose powder bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna pat it into the skin. And the reason I pat it into the skin is because I don't wanna disrupt or move any of the cream liquids that we have under. So we wanna keep everything in place. So I pat, pat, pat. And you can go over that contour blush area because we're gonna add powders to it to kind of enhance those colors. It's okay. Blend on the neck, don't forget. Now I'm gonna be adding a little bit more color onto my blush. So I'm gonna go in with this Buttermilk blush by NYX Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Getting Better. This is so pretty. Look how pretty that just shows up. And again, I'm just keeping it on the highest point of my cheekbone and kind of bringing it into my eye as well, just to give it a cute little blend. But look how pretty that color is. So cute. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake Powder, which is a light pink powder. And I'm gonna be adding it under my eyes and like a little bit over the blush. And I am adding this to the side of my nose as well because I want this to be a guide to where I put my nose contour. Taking that same brush that I used for my blush, I'm just kind of wiping it on like the towel I have right here just to get any of like the extra product off of it. And then I'm gonna just go over the blush and just take that powder off a little. Taking another setting powder, and this is the CoverGirl Clean Professional. I'm gonna put on my powder puff and I'm just gonna cut right here to sharpen our contour out. And I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit and we're gonna move on to eyes for now. Just kidding, I need to contour my nose a little bit before I go in with my eyeshadow. So today I'm gonna be using the Sephora bronzer, and this is in the shade 02 Peach Bum Tan. So this is a new thing for me where I bake kind of on the side, but it's also used as like a guideline. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of like fluffy, flattish brush. It's from Morphe, but it doesn't have a number or anything. So it looks like this. I'm gonna just pick up a little bit of that product, just tap it on my hand just so it's not like too much. And then I'm gonna start out right here and just kind of go down that guide. You see that? You see how I just easy little hack. I'm gonna be going in with the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Concealer again. And this is gonna be used as an eyeshadow primer type of thing. I always love to go in with a concealer. And I'm just taking my Morphe M173 brush and just blending that out. Like I said, I always go in with the brush and then with the beauty blender. So we're gonna lightly just blend that out. And I'm gonna be going in with this 9 p.m. doesn't even say 9 p.m. I'm weak, I just keep naming things. Okay, 9M Midnight Dune palette by Morphe, which looks like this. I just bought it because it has the prettiest neutral tones and it's just really cute. We're going in with this chocolate color right in the middle. Okay, I'm a little annoyed that this is showing up a little more gray than I wanted it to. I thought it was gonna be like a warmer brown, but no worries. I'm actually gonna go in with this MAC Pressed Pigment, which is like a shimmery bronzy brown. This is in the shade Deeply Dashing, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just pat it all over my lid. Yup. Oh, this actually looks cute on top of it. Okay, that's fine. See how it's giving more brown now? I like that. And it's like not too shimmery, but it's like a cute shimmer, you know? Taking a little fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend out the edge. Now I'm just gonna be adding my lashes, and today I'm gonna be using these lashes from the Makeup Shack in Life in Plastic. Okay, and then going in with the Duo Glue, I'm just gonna add a little bit of lash glue. And I'm just gonna speed through this part because I think we all know how to put lashes on. If we don't, leave a comment down below and I will do a specific video on just how to apply lashes. Woo, look at that drama. I love these lashes. They're definitely the star of this look. I'm just gonna dust this off because we've been baking for enough time now. Okay, moving on. We're gonna pick up this 12-hour retractable eyeliner by the Sephora collection. This is a waterproof pencil eyeliner, which is my favorite because it does not smudge. And I'm just gonna go into my waterline with this and now taking this middle shade again, we're just gonna smoke out that waterline. Now taking this little detailed brush, this is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that black right on the tip of it, and I'm really gonna work it right on the lash line. As close to the lash line as I can get, just to deepen up that color. And this is just gonna intensify our bottom lash line that much more. Look how pretty. And today I'm going to be using this YSL mascara, and I'm mainly going to be applying it to my bottom lashes just to give us some drama to balance out the top. Almost done. Now we're going to be moving on to our lips, and I'm going to be going in with this Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And I do like to fill in my lips a little bit with the pencil so it's not such a harsh line on the outer edges. I'm gonna go in with a Creme de Nude by MAC, and y'all, I'm at like the base of it. I need to buy a new one. Don't judge me. And to finish off the lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss by MAC Cosmetics in the shade See Through. Tell me that's not the most beautiful nude color. Ugh, I'm so obsessed with this lip combo. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray one more time, and I'm gonna set my whole face in. And the last step to this look, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter just to give me a little glow in certain areas. So I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Prosecco, and then just taking a little detailed brush, I'm gonna pick up some of that highlighter. And this is my favorite step. I'm gonna add it to the tip of my nose, and then just give it a little pat. So cute. Oh my God, May's made an appearance. This is my kitty cat. Hi, Maze. I actually have my other cat sitting right here. You can't see her, but that's my Maisie girl. And then I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that highlighter and placing it right on the bridge of my nose as well. So cute. And then I'm also gonna be putting a little bit of it in the inner corner just to highlight slightly. And this is the final look. I did go ahead and get dressed and put some earrings on, and now I am ready for my event. I hope this video was easy for you guys to follow along. And if you have any questions or just want to say hi, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to you. I will also leave my Instagram and my TikTok down below so we can connect and be friends as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, hit that bell notification button so you are notified of any new uploads that I make, because these videos are coming. This glam is glamming. I am obsessed. If you guys recreate it, don't forget to tag me. Again, I will leave my Instagram and my TikTok below. I appreciate you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.